Back to the UATest use cases. In our final demo, I'm going to show how we could perform audits on applications or groups that might not be in Okta's environment. Say you have an on-premise application or group that you can't pull, you could always export that information in the form of a CSV and upload it into UATest. To do so, we're simply going to go to our CSV audits right here, and we go to create a CSV audit. We'll simply name this one, provide a due date, and finally, choose a file. Your file can be in any template form as long as it's a CSV. We say any template because once you've uploaded this, you'll select what your headers are and you'll map them to what best fits ours. Now, if yours are custom and you can't find one that fits ours as best, no worries at all. We do offer the ability to enter in 5 custom fields to whatever you'd like. All you would have to do is provide a name, select it from this list. Going through and mapping this is simple. What you're going to want to do is just make sure that everything matches up properly. The only thing that is required is an email address. And then right here, one interesting thing to note is say you have multiple roles per application in your CSV, these roles can be split with commas as long as you check this box right here, allowing for split comma separation in this field, and then just select roles. I'm going to jump on out to a campaign that's already completed with the exact same information from the CSV I just uploaded. Right here, this was created earlier today, and if we go into it, you can see we have the users that were a part of this CSV. We could go in just like before, we could certify in bulk. But since we did have the option of multiple roles per application, we could actually go into these users and let's view the details. You can see we have all these multiple different applications and roles within inside of them. So here, we could select certify, mass certify it, no problem, but we could also go through and revoke on an individual level. Just like in previous examples, we do have the ability to delegate this out. We could either delegate right here, where we enter in the user's manager email address. We could do that one by one. You could enter in multiple email addresses, or we could send this out to a group. You'll just simply have to select the value first. We want to select where this is coming from, so you're going to need to have this with an Okta account and environment, and then we'll just type in what group we're looking for, just like before. There we go, the app review group, and click assign. So this right here has been assigned to the app review group, and it's being delegated out. You can even see who the reviewers are and what their actions that they took place were. This is me going in and just overriding what would be delegated out to an individual so we could complete the campaign. The last step, you can automatically delegate as well, pulling the user's manager right there and automatically assigning that manager to review the individual. The manager is only going to see the individuals they've been assigned to and will receive an email on a regular basis as the campaign progresses and comes closer to the expiration date. Once that's finished, you can exit out right there, and your CSV campaign has been complete. So what we've just done from start to finish, we took information that might not have been in the Okta's environment, we uploaded it via a CSV into UATest and performed an access review on it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to reach out with any questions, and thank you so much for your time.